In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out or sign out of iMessage in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process that can be useful if you need to switch accounts or simply ensure your privacy on a shared device. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or just want to take a break from your messages, these steps will guide you through signing out safely and effectively. So, let's get started. To begin, you'll need to access your device's settings. On your home screen, look for the app icon that is often a grey gear. That's your settings. Once you've opened up the settings menu, navigate by scrolling until you find the apps section. This part of the settings panel manages all of your installed applications, and it's where we need to go to make changes to iMessage. Now that you're in the apps section, look for an entry simply labeled Messages. This is the app that handles your iMessage functionality, among other things. When you locate Messages, go ahead and tap on it to open its settings. Once inside the Messages settings, find the option that says Send and Receive. This setting is crucial because it controls the accounts and methods available for sending and receiving messages through iMessage. Tap on Send and Receive to proceed. Scrolling down to the bottom of the Send and Receive section, you'll come across your Apple ID. This is the account currently associated with iMessage on your device. Tap on your Apple ID. You'll see a few options popping up in a menu. Among these options will be Sign Out. By selecting Sign Out, you are prompting your device to disconnect your Apple ID from the iMessage service. This action will temporarily disable iMessage for this particular Apple ID on this device, ensuring that no messages will be sent or received until you sign back in. When you tap Sign Out, the device will process your request and you'll be successfully logged out. Remember, by signing out of iMessage, you might miss out on messages if someone tries to reach you through it while you're logged off. But don't worry, you can hop back in any time by returning to the Send and Receive menu and re-signing into your Apple ID. Just tap Sign In and follow the prompts to reconnect, and you'll be back online in no time. And that's it! You have now learned how to log out or sign out of iMessage in just a few quick steps. It's always a good idea to double check that the process is complete by attempting to send a message or checking your status within the Messages app. If you ever encounter any issues, revisiting these steps can help troubleshoot most common issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to stay tuned and subscribe.